Hey guys, I'm the Weeby Tour Guide here, and today I'm here at Machida Station to search some Pokefuta, which are maintenance holes with Pokemon drawings on them. Today's destination is Serigaya Park, a park famous for having multiple Pokefutas. The closest train station to it is Machida Station, which is a 30-minute train ride from Shinjuku on the Oda-Q line. So, Serigaya Park is about a 10-minute walk from here, so let's get going. The Pokefutas we are seeing today all have an early route Kanto theme to them, and there's a reason for that. The Kanto region in Pokemon is based off of a real region in Japan, and the Pokemon counterpart to Machida City is actually Pallet Town. The creator of Pokemon, Satoshi Tajiri, grew up in the city, and Serigaya Park is where he often hung out as a child. Well, what a coincidence! And I think we've made it here. Serigaya Kouen Iriguchi. Those of you who are not Japanese speakers. Here we are. So we came here on a pretty windy November day, and you could kind of see the leaves kind of turning red. So when you think of Tokyo, you don't really think what you're seeing right now, right? Oh, I think we've encountered our first Pokefuta of the day, and what a better way to start out than with Bulbasaur. He's number 001 for a reason, right? And where this manhole maintenance hole is placed, it actually looks like where Bulbasaurs would live in real life. Maybe I could catch a shiny Bulbasaur because of its autumn inspirations. That's just a regular maintenance hole. That's not a Pokefuta. I don't see no Pokemon here. Or if in future generations, if a maintenance hole Pokemon came out, then maybe that guy was a Pokemon all along. But this one right here is an actual Pokefuta. Hey! So this is Charmander looking up at his trainer with his lovely eyes. Just your little buddy waiting for you on the bottom of the staircase. What a cute fella. So, our next Pokefuta is right here. We have Squirtle, splashing in joy and getting water all over his trainer's pants. And now that we've got all three starters, which starter did you choose? I chose Squirtle because my mom chose Squirtle. Yeah, please comment which starter you chose in the comments. And this maintenance hole is placed right in front of this gnarly object, which spewts out water in the summer, and kids actually play in it But right now it's freezing cold, so nobody's doing that. They'll kill themselves. But I think this Pokefuta is placed perfectly, right near the water where Squirtle would be in. Oh! Found it! Poliwag! I briefly blinked on his name. So where this maintenance hole is located, it's located right near this blue looking statue. This statue kind of reminds me of the mysterious statues that you see randomly in the Team Rocket's hideout. And it has similar colors to Poliwag, so I guess it's a perfect place to be. So this is our next encounter. It's Oddish, Caterpie, and I'm blanking on the other dude's name. So this particular maintenance hole is located like to the entrance of the forest. They knew what they were doing when they placed this maintenance hole. So thank you all for watching my video. Please like and subscribe for more vlog contents like this one. And to end the video, I'm gonna try to slide in this super long ass slider to end the video and to probably end my life. But please wish me luck. Hey wa! Oh my butt! Whoa, this is pretty fast. Whoa. Whoa. Ow. Whoa. Hey wa.